Hey there guys, how are you all doing? This is your ViBro from Tech Week team, and so today in this video we will be taking a look at a new build of Phoenix OS. I know you guys are really excited. I'm really excited to check this out. I'm really sorry guys, I was really busy with my work as well as class and stuff. You know, I was in college, so there are some really disturbance going on in my classes and stuff like that. So, and I'm also really sorry that I haven't been giving you any news related to Phoenix OS, so I'm really sorry for that. But in this video we will be taking a look at Phoenix OS ROG. It's a new OG version of Phoenix OS, built or made by some of the awesome peeps out there in way far away Indonesia. So huge big thumbs up goes to you, all the developers, you know, all the developers and the modders. You guys just did amazing work. This is one of the best Phoenix OSs that I have ever used. It's clean, it's polished, it's amazing. So I'll be telling you more about this. So before that, this is the intro. Alright, so before starting, if this is the first time you have just guys saw my channel, I make videos related to Phoenix OS as well as tech, as well as reviews related to software, and also I give tips and tricks. So please do subscribe my channel for more information, and that would really help me a lot. And also yeah, please do support my channel, you know, that means a lot to me. So before starting the video, I have already started the video, me and my words. Boop. All right, so let's take a look at how the settings look like. So this is how the settings look like. And also before the settings, I just want to show you this awesome wallpaper. You know guys, this looks really great. You know, this ROG, it's really awesome. It's by Phoenix. But before starting, guys, don't confuse yourself with ROG and ROC. These two are different versions of Phoenixes. ROC is made by Voltrex, and I don't know where he is from and what he is doing. He's been inactive for long. This is ROG. This is Republic of Gamers, not Republic of Champions. So this is pretty new and pretty awesome. And in this time of recording this video, this is the latest version of Phoenix OS ROG. So let's take it to settings. As you can see, we have the Wi-Fi Ethernet. There is a dedicated Ethernet button here. I'll show you the changelogs just in a moment. Let me show you the things that we see over in settings. So you can see there are many new icons that we can see here that looks pretty dope and amazing. Let me go to About Tablet and let's take a look at the things inside. So we can see the model version. This is the model of your laptop or your computer that you'll be using. Also comes with Phoenix ROG V3 Update 4. I'm really sorry for the background noise. You know, I'm not recording my video at midnight in the moment when midnight is basically the time when I record my videos. Right now it's evening, so there are many noise in my background, so really sorry for that. Boop. And also comes with the Android version 7.1.2. That's amazing, and comes with Android patch security level of May 1st 2020. I don't know about that. Alright, then the kernel version is 4.14.15, which is the stock kernel, so that's amazing. And also the Mesa driver here is the 18.3.6. There is also a version with 17.1.0, I guess. I forgot the code number, but yeah, so there are two versions, and as you can see, it is using my UHD graphics 620, so that's really amazing. And that's pretty much it that we get in the About tablet. So these are the icons that looks pretty amazing. There is something new that I just saw in mouse and trackpad. You can see there is a dedicated button for trackpad and mouse acceleration. That's really amazing. Even the pointer speed, you can just change your mouse sensitivity. Even the mouse cursor is really beautiful, you know. It just makes me resembles me off this what is called game loops, you know, the game loops that we use for playing PUBG Mobile. So that's amazing. So let me close this thing up and let's show you the apps or the software or the applications. Yes, the application that comes pre-installed is pretty basic. It's really light. You can see only the file manager, game helper, settings, security, LSpeed, FX file editor, GL tool. That's amazing. GL tool is here. I'll be telling you why you need the GL tool here. It also comes with FX file manager. Magic Manager is the default root manager, so that's amazing. Comes with Play Store. ADV screen recorder, and BB Racing 2 is the applications that I have installed. This is ADV screen recorder. It's the best screen recorder. As you can see, I'm recording it. It's in 60 FPS, baby, 60 FPS, smooth as butter. And yeah, it's amazing. If you want to try this out, if you want this APK, go ahead in the description. You can find the link. Thank me later. Yeah, and not thank me later. You're welcome. So yeah, so let me just show you the changelog that we have over here. Let me just open it with my file, FX text editor. So you can see these are the changelogs that we have. Should I make it full screen? No, it's fine. So it says they're removing the default application to free up space and excessive RAM. So this version is tweaked to use less RAM. So the people who have less amount of RAM in your laptop or your computer, this can be a viable option. So I would surely suggest everyone to try this out. You know, this is amazing. They have their own Discord server. They have their own Telegram server. I'm sorry, the background, the dog is going crazy and I'm gonna kill him. I'm not an animal molester. So it comes with the added in Mesa driver that is 18.3.6, the custom port variant from Android 7 and 8.1. So that's amazing. The latest version, like better Mesa is equal to better performance. And so you can see the added custom port Mesa driver 17.1.10 also supports PUBG HDR Ultra graphics, unlocks 60 FPS, stable, no lag, no frame. So in this video, I'm not gonna show you the gameplay of PUBG as I have left. There has been a really controversial statement that PUBG Mobile has just made some really bad decisions in just changing their servers, and that's why I just deleted that game. I don't play PUBG anymore. So you can see that's pre-unlocked PUBG, pre-unlocked graphics Ultra, extreme 60 FPS in Mobile Legends. So that's amazing for all the Mobile Legends player that plays in PUBG. So back to using old version of Phoenix ROG based, which is quite stable and lightweight, so that's amazing. And also fixed Wi-Fi and Bluetooth problem on several Wi-Fi card drivers. So guys, all the people who were suffering from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity issues, this is the one for you. You just need to go ahead and try. If you guys face any problem, I will give the Telegram as well as the Discord server of these developers and his team. You can go ahead and request this out. And also for downloading this version of Phoenix OS, you can go ahead in the description. The Discord server as well as the Telegram link is there, so there you can find a download link. I'm sorry, I cannot upload or I cannot give the download links directly in my description. That will be against their will. So you can go ahead and join their Telegram server. It will be best for you and them and for everybody. So you know, mutualism, you know, everyone is, you are happy, I am happy, he is happy, everyone is happy. So yeah, I'm talking too much, so pagal ho gaya hu main. And then we can see the firmware custom update. That's amazing. And also added credit performance mode, next gen OP. That's great. Props to you, man, next gen OP, for watching this video. Please hit the like button and also comment down in the comment box below. And also it comes with added stock kernel version variant 4.14.15. That's amazing. And also added the old version of L-Speed, so that's great. You know, the L-Speed latest version has been facing some issues, so this is amazing. Also added a Android x86 setup wizard, latest GApps update, fix other minor bugs, need feedback. So yeah, these people, these guys, they need feedback from the users, so that's amazing. You know, you guys just use it. Face any problems, just go ahead and let them know. Don't worry, this also has a 32-bit and also 64-bit. And the version I'm using is, yes, you were right, it's a 64-bit because my computer is quite new. You know, the description, the specification will be there in the description, so go ahead and check it out. And so for this video, I'll be testing out a game which is known as the Beach Buggy Racing 2. So this is a game, you know, it's I love this game so much. The Beach Buggy Racing 2 is the latest one, and it's just running. Let me just reduce the volume. It's just so bad. Oh shit, it's not going bad on my language.
A few moments later.
Just a second, alright guys. What the hell? Where is the mouse cursor? Okay, now it's here. Let me just go ahead and reduce the volume to nil and let me show you. Okay, let's continue. and let's play this game. I have set my game helper in here, and it is running really smooth. You can see I have set it to the extreme, not extreme, the highest settings, and it's running at 60 frames per second. And I know my computer is powerful enough, so yeah, that's great. And there is a power that I can use, but as I'm like busy with my microphone, oh shit, can you just believe it, one guy just hit me. And so yeah, the games run pretty well, and there was, as you can see, as you saw in before, there was a I'm just focusing on the game. Let me just close this game up. I'm not able to talk. Yeah, there was GL tool over here. Let me just minimize this. There is GL tool over here. So you might be thinking, what is this GL tool used for? If you have just installed a game and this game is not running, you can go ahead and add some custom settings for this game and just try to play out with the settings, and it just work out pretty well. So yeah, you can just go ahead and do that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you want to install this video, don't worry, install this version of Phoenix, don't worry, everything will be there in the description. Just go ahead and just follow out there. And yeah, guys, so this is my primary version of Phoenix that I'm using right now. I'm really happy. People who are using or who has an old computer, you can go ahead and try this out. It's amazing. Also, big props to the developers as well. That's pretty much it, guys. Have a great day. God bless you all. And this is ViBro signing out. Take care in this COVID-19 situation, and ta-ta-da.